Hey Gemini, what's up? Welcome to your career reading. This is going to be for Gemini, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. We're going to have a look at what you can expect in your career, your job. Okay, what is the future of your career or job or business that you are currently pursuing? Okay. It is a general reading. This may or may not resonate. If it doesn't, check out your other placements. And if you need a personal reading, you can DM me on Instagram at Tarot with Nemo, or you can email me on tarotwithnemo@gmail.com. Okay? This is for Gemini. This is for Gemini. Feel free to switch the energies, okay? This could be you, or this could be some person that you're dealing with at work, okay? This is for Gemini. What is the future of the career or job that Gemini is pursuing currently? All right, coming into the current situation. Okay, what is influencing this? What's on your mind? What happened in the past? What is the situation? And what's the future? Staying hopeful, Gemini. Okay. Right now, I do feel, Gemini, there is something that you're holding back from, or something that you're holding on to. Either you're holding on to stability, or you're holding back from investing into something. Yes, you are at a stable, secured place. That could also be one way of seeing it. But I feel for a lot of you, you feel you're in a work, a career, a business where you do feel some kind of restrictions, where you feel bonded to a certain job that you're doing right now, or a profession that you're doing right now, or whatever. It's like the sense of where a bondage, where you feel more restricted and restrained and more like stuck up, rather than wanting to be free and wanting to be independent. So what happens is that because you feel so stuck, right, you're holding on to this current situation, this current career or job for such a long time, and because of that you could feel that you're missing out other opportunities. Okay, so whatever situation you are in right now, you're not as stuck up. Okay, it's the illusion that the devil creates in your head, where, what, I can't pursue anything, or I can't let this go. If I let this go, how am I going to get the money? Okay, or how am I going to get my finances correct, or what about my career, something like that. Which is why I feel you're holding on to something too tight. For a few of you, I feel you worked very, very hard towards something. You have a lot of hope and a lot of expectations from something, which is why you're holding on to this present career, but it's not serving you, is what I'm getting. In the past year, I feel there could have been a small opportunity that was presented to you. This is something very, very small, okay, but it is very, very stable, secure, and it has the potential to grow very, very big. So I do feel for a lot of you, you did start something new in the past year. Okay, there was an opportunity that was presented to you, but right now it's stressing the shit out of you. Something stressing the shit out of you. There's a lot of stress, there's a lot of mental and emotional pain that's going on. Either there's someone here who probably cheated on you, okay, in the business here, or there could be your colleagues, or whatever it is, right? Something or someone is causing a lot of stress in your current situation right now, and it's just breaking your heart. Okay, so there could have been some betrayal that happened, and what is influencing this, that you feel stuck. Okay, you feel stuck here. Like I said, you feel you can't do anything about the situation. Okay, for a few of you, you feel you can't do anything about the situation. For the others of you, you can do something about it, but you're choosing not to do it. So there's the difference in the mindset. One mindset says, well, you know what, I can't do anything about it. Okay, and it's like because you're choosing to operate from fear. That's a lot of fear-based thoughts. The other mindset is, I'm genuinely choosing not to do anything about it. Okay, I'm stuck and I'm happy where I am, and I don't even want to think about a solution, because that solution is going to be something which is going to be which is going to ask me to have more faith than fear. Okay, and I don't know what the unknown is. Okay, for a lot of you, you could be stuck in a situation where there are too many expectations. Okay, expectations could also be trapping you in that mindset where, how can I break this person's heart, or whatever. Okay, for some of you, you could also be wanting to move away and start a business on your own, which could break the current person's heart, or which could probably just create a split here. Let's see. What's the Three of Swords? What is this Three of Swords? What is the stress about? New beginning. That's what I said. There is some clarity. There is some clarity that you have here, okay? And you want a happy outcome here. Now, there could be some truth that has been revealed in your career, or there is some clarity that you have which is, breaking your heart. But you still feel stuck. You still feel like, I don't know what to do about it. Why? It's because you're taking a very balanced approach right now on your mind. There is no rushing out when it comes on your mind, okay? You know what? Your mind says to be balanced, but your heart is asking to go full speed, like full throttle ahead. These are absolutely different energies out here. This one's a go, 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 go. This one's like, no, wait, take the middle road, keep it balanced, keep it slow, keep it cool, calm, collected. See how contradicted you are. This is why the influence is the Eight of Swords. You don't know what to do. You're so confused right now. But something's caused stress in your life here. Could have to do with because you probably want to choose another road in your career, or you want to leave a partnership and you can't break someone's heart here, okay? But on your mind here, you're keeping you're taking the middle road is what I'm getting. You're staying very balanced. What's the Temperance here? You don't know what to do, but that's why you're just staying cool. Yeah. See, what's happening here is that you are very focused on yourself, okay? The goal is ultimately to grow. The goal for you is to ultimately grow, to have abundance, okay, to whatever. Something could be very slow moving also. There could be a situation here which is going to grow very slowly, okay. For a lot of you, I feel you're only thinking about yourself, okay, Gemini. I feel you're only focused on yourself. Maybe you're in a job where you feel that your growth is limited and you want that abundant, limitless growth, okay. You want to take it slow, baby steps, but deep within, you want to run. What's the Chariot here? What's the Chariot here? What's the Chariot here? Yeah, see? I told you, you want to end it. You want something to transform, and I think you want your career to transform. So whatever you're currently doing or pursuing here, it could be in a partnership with someone, okay, who's probably a friend, family, or relative here, and that's creating a lot of stress, anxiety to you because you want something on your own. You want a new opening out here, but you're stuck because you can't do much because you are you're too burdened with that other person's responsibilities here, okay. So that's what I'm getting here. Yeah, but you definitely are choosing to transform. You're choosing to end it with this person out here if you're in a partnership with this person, or you're choosing to end a career and move forward so you can grow. All right, now in the Star here, in the future here, you're being very hopeful. You're being very hopeful that things will probably work out. But the Star card in the career, yes, it's a wish come true, but it's just like, you're being very hopeful and having faith that it will eventually work out if it has to. What's the Star here? Not really the best card for a career, right? What's the Star here? It's like sometimes how we just leave things to the universe, right? What's the Star here? You're not even doing anything about it and you're just leaving it to the universe. What's the Star? Wow. Okay, so there could be a big choice that is going to be presented to you in the future, Gemini. A big choice. For a lot of you, something's going to happen all of a sudden, okay? And I feel the reason you're going to get hope and faith is because there is going to be some clarity that's going to come in, and whatever's going to happen all of a sudden, out of nowhere, either you're going to get new people who will invest into you, or you're just going to get something to celebrate about, okay? There's going to be some good news that's going to come in, which is going to give you hope, or there is going to be some kind of clarity, some kind of truth, some kind of information that's going to come in towards you, which is going to put you in that energy where, okay, like, thank God, like that worked out, right? Which is why you're going to be very hopeful in the future here, and there could be a wish come true for you in the future, okay? Now, for a lot of you, actually for everyone, you may not get what you wish for exactly, but it'll be somewhere close. So you will get a wish, not what you wish for, something that the universe needs, you need more, okay? Not something that you want, the universe will give you something that you need. And for a lot of you, there's going to be time for celebration here, because there's going to be some truth, or there's going to be some clarity that you're going to get here, like a breakthrough of some sort out here, okay? And whatever's going to happen, it's going to happen out of nowhere, all of a sudden, okay? All of a sudden here. So Yeah, what's the Ace of Pentacles in the past? What's this new opportunity? Yeah, there could have been an opportunity here which probably you felt very, there could have been something that you felt very restricted with in the past, is what I'm getting here, okay? But you clearly chose to move on from it, okay? Get into a more abundant energy, get into a more independent energy. Now you could feel stuck to someone also, okay, that how am I going to work it out without this person out here, okay, how will I move forward? But you still went forward and you had faith in yourself and you went ahead and took a new opportunity here, is what I'm getting here, okay? So that's what I have for you, Gemini. I hope this reading resonates. Leave your comments below and don't forget, like, share, subscribe.